Now to a grisly discovery in New Jersey. Two women found dead at a popular restaurant. And police are now looking into whether their deaths are connected to a man found dead at a car rental office. New Jersey reporter Anthony Johnson is live in Union with the story. Anthony.
Yeah, we understand that that person was found inside of a vehicle inside of this Enterprise location, actually in the back parking lot area. That discovery happened on Monday, and then the bodies of those two women were both discovered yesterday. Now, authorities are still trying to find out the motive for the three deaths that may all be connected. The bodies of two women were discovered inside of the K K Jamaican Restaurant yesterday afternoon in Hillside. The location is owned by the man who was found in the car behind the auto rental location here in Union. The car pulled into the lot in the middle of the night, and when police arrived, they found the man's body inside. That man did own the K K Restaurant. The family lived right across the street, and a neighbor described them as being peaceful.
I've seen them often, came here often. They were very good people, very nice family. If kids always out here playing and stuff, and they always come in the store. I am very surprised, and that's a shocker to me.
The names of the victim not yet released by authorities. The Union County Prosecutor's Office is the lead agency in investigating these three deaths.